Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at George's three beautiful Stihl 044 MS440 chainsaws. He wanted all these turned into test chainsaws, not to be used for any type of firewood cutting. They are West Coast modified. They will be disabled at the end of the video, but I wanted to fire them up and let you listen to them. They're just beautiful, great shaped saws. Very, very nice. If you have any questions on these test chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call. There's the information. I will disable these chainsaws and they'll be returned to George as parts chainsaws, not to be used for any type of wood cutting.